Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ServiceTitan detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type the URL for ServiceTitan in the address bar. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the ServiceTitan homepage loads, locate the Login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Make sure to double-check for any typos. Next, move on to the password field. Type in your password carefully. If you want to check your password for accuracy, look for the eye icon. Clicking this icon will reveal your password temporarily. After confirming your password, make sure to clear any potential errors. If your organization has a specific login URL, ensure you're using that. Once you are ready, click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your ServiceTitan dashboard. In case you forget your password, locate the Forgot Password link. Click on that link to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Now that you're logged in, explore the dashboard tools available. Familiarize yourself with the layout for a smoother experience. If you encounter any issues, consult the help section or your IT support. That concludes the steps to log in to ServiceTitan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.